Great location meets with affordability. Wonderful opportunity to build some sweat equity and put your own loving touches. Cute 3-bedroom/2.5 bath and unit townhome in the desirable community of Burbage Grant with lots of amenities, including a clubhouse, playgrounds, pool and tennis courts. Great floor plan with lots of natural light. Spacious primary bedroom with cathedral ceiling and large windows. HVAC system is 4 years old. Seller is offering $1,500 carpet allowance based on an actual estimate. Convenient location close to major interstates, shopping and military bases. Home to convey as is. Make an appointment for a private viewing and don't forget to check out the virtual tour.